Hey everybody, so if you have been living under a rock or just not paying attention to me for the last month, you may not know what the FK-1 is, but we got some parts here for it. We're going to tell you about it in a second. I'm Glenn.
I'm Xander.
And this is Fun King 3D. Alright, so if you're new around here, or if you've been here for a while and you haven't done it yet, we'd like you to hit that subscribe button down below, ring the bell for notification, and as always, a thumbs up is greatly appreciated. So, a lot of you will know what this logo is, and of course that's the open source logo, but it is OpenBuilds, and they're not the first parts for the FK-1, but they are some major parts for the FK-1. And if you don't know what the FK-1 is, I will link. In fact, I will put it up here. I'll put a link up here to the trailer for the FK-1 so that you can go get kind of a preview of what it is. And it is a 400 by 1200 by 475 millimeter capacity 3D printer that has been completely home designed and is going to be home built. And so we're hoping everything in this box is good and safe and no damage. And I would like to give a big shout out to OpenBuilds. They were kind enough to give me free shipping to get this here as part of the sponsorship for FK-1. So big shout out to them. And if you guys have never checked out OpenBuilds store, you should definitely do so. And I will have a link to that in the description. And if you've ever ordered from OpenBuilds, you know that when they do their packaging, it's some crazy good job. So I don't know. I'm definitely gonna have to throw a time lapse on this one, I think. I ordered this stuff on Friday, and it was to my house by Tuesday. Ooh, it's a lot of packaging. I've got to say, I've never been disappointed in OpenBuilds' packing job. Kudos to the shipping department. Keep in mind, this is all stuff just to protect the box underneath.
What?
I don't know if we can open the end of the box and get the stuff out or not. It is 44 glorious pounds, by the way. It's so beautiful.
I cut it down like one of the corners.
Yeah, I'm just gonna cut it down this seam.
Don't pop all the bubble wrap.
I'll hand that off to my lovely assistant. That's not Xander.
You're breaking the bubble wrap.
These guys do not disappoint in their packaging.
How much packaging is there?
OpenBuilds also does some really great video series, so if you haven't ever checked that out, I would love to see a video on their packaging department packing all of this stuff up, because that's got to be fun.
It's so much aluminum.
Yeah, there's a lot of aluminum. Aluminium. Woo, that is a very large block of aluminum.
I'm backing up so that if it falls, it doesn't fall on my toe.
Oh yeah, that would be that would be a lot of damage. So
I stubbed my toe a little.
Wow, at this point I'm not gonna open all of that because it's all got to go to the garage and get cut to length. But I definitely wanted you guys to see how well OpenBuilds packs their stuff. And then, as you can see, they put the little parts in a bag, so everything stays together. So awesome packing job, awesome product. I've been playing with their V-slot aluminum to get ready for this project. It is very nice stuff. The pieces that I've got have all been as straight as I can tell. I'm very excited about this. Are you excited about this?
Mm-hmm. Especially about the bubble wrap.
That's a lot of aluminum. So again, if you're not familiar with the FK-1 project, definitely check out the trailer. Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so that you will know as we release videos throughout the build of this thing. The goal is to have it ready by November, early November, because November 10th is Orlando Maker Faire, which is where it will make its public debut. I'm excited. So thank you to OpenBuilds for granting us the free shipping on this. You saved us a good chunk of cash, and it is much appreciated in this project. And we hope that everybody checks out OpenBuilds to see all the cool stuff they have: brackets and belts and motors and transmission systems.
So, you know, like when it's on Amazon, the printer has like a big block to show like the build.
Oh, the test, the fake build?
Yeah, we gotta do one of them.
Yeah, with just a benchy.
No, it's just, you gotta be a big block filled with like...
Oh, like a whole entire block?
Yeah.
That would take forever to print that, so. All right, guys, thanks for watching this unboxing. Again, go check out OpenBuilds. We thank all of our sponsors for the FK-1 project. Each and every one of you are greatly appreciated, and you guys that are watching are also greatly appreciated. Definitely follow along on the build with this, and we hope to see you again soon. As always, print on.